Are you tired of losing track of your product keys, licenses, and receipts? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to store these important items safely so you never lose them again. First, let's talk about why this is crucial. Product keys, licenses, and receipts are essential for software activation, refunds, or warranty claims. Losing them can cause unnecessary headaches. So let's dive into the best ways to store them securely and with ease. The easiest and most organized method is using a password manager. Most password managers allow you to store product keys and licenses securely, along with your passwords. This software encrypts everything, making sure only you have access. Many password managers also let you add notes, so you can store additional details, like purchase receipts or subscription info. If you're worried about security, don't be. These apps use strong encryption, and most even offer two-factor authentication for extra protection. Now, if you're more of a hands-on person and like to keep physical copies, you can store receipts in a dedicated folder or binder. I recommend scanning and digitizing them using a scanner app on your phone. This way, you have both a physical and digital backup just in case. For your licenses and product keys, consider using a cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox. It's a great option for keeping everything in one place, accessible from any device. You can create folders for each category, like software licenses, game keys, or product receipts, and organize them however you like. You can even add PDFs of receipts to these folders. To make it even easier, I recommend using software designed for managing all this information. The software we'll be using in this video is a great choice, and it helps keep all your keys, licenses, and receipts in one place, organized and secure. If you want to try it out, there's an exclusive free trial link in the description, available only for viewers of this channel. Another option is using a dedicated tool for managing software licenses. There are some apps designed just for storing product keys, so you won't have to worry about mixing them up with your other documents. These tools also provide extra features like reminders for renewals or expiry dates. A crucial tip is to back up your storage. If you're using digital storage, back up your data to an external hard drive or cloud service. You don't want to risk losing everything in case of a hard drive failure or an app glitch. And if you're keeping physical copies, consider making a copy or taking a picture of receipts and licenses, then storing them in different locations. Now, here's your key takeaway. Storing your product keys, licenses, and receipts is all about keeping things secure, organized, and backed up. Whether you use a password manager, cloud storage, or dedicated software, make sure it's a method you'll stick with and keep updated. To recap, use a password manager for secure digital storage. Consider scanning and digitizing physical receipts for backup. Cloud storage services are a great way to organize everything. And if you want a dedicated tool, our software is the way to go. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's a perfect way to follow along with today's tips. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.